Hello everyone, this is Dion D. We're back again with another video. This is the part 2 of the Polo. So yeah, as you've seen, like the engine we put on was not okay, so I'm taking it back, going to get a new one, another one actually. So hopefully this one is okay. So there was something, the reason why I said the car was a bad deal, so the gearbox is also messed up. So I was able to outsource a gearbox for him from marketplace and stuff for like 3.5k. So yeah, it looks new. So yeah, we're gonna fit a new gearbox, a new engine. So we basically fitting new mechanical parts on this thing. It's like he basically bought a shell without anything. We bought a shell without anything. So if you haven't been pitched up, the story is my client, obviously he had his own GoBid account, and then I went to view a car for him, a different car, a Jetta 5 TSI. It was okay. I gave him a GoBid to bid for, a go ahead to bid for it, and then I don't know what happened. I don't know what demons caught him. He ended up not bidding for the Jetta 5. He bid for the Polo. The funny part is, like, these cars were in the same lot. I could have viewed the Polo for him if he had told me, but like I didn't think he had any interest. He didn't even show it to me. So yeah, he did make that mistake, but now we're solving it. I mean, like, there's no going back. We just need to go forward. Yeah, so let us sort this thing out. Hopefully on this video this thing will be driving. Hopefully we won't need a part 3. I think we'll just end it here. So let's dive right into it. Sorry for a long intro. Yeah, if you didn't, you can go back and watch the previous video and see where we started with this whole project. And then yeah, I have more coming. I have more things coming. So with the Polo, I think we might finish the car today. Since I'm finishing the engine, as soon as I get back, we put on the engine, we put on the gearbox, the car should be driving. Okay, so yeah, bye. The next one, the new engine. Hopefully this one works. Then here's the old one. Yeah, I know there's too much smoke. They were running this engine down here. So yeah, that's why we have the smoke. So hopefully this one works. Yeah. It looks okay though, but you know, the looks are deceiving. The looks are deceiving. The looks are deceiving. But yeah, yeah, let me get this one and then go back, get it fitted. So here's the new engine, the second engine, and the second gearbox. So yeah, let's see where it takes us. So we're removing the sump since it's bent, and then we're gonna put a new one from the old engine. And then this is the import. This intake is just not the one. Just need to swap the whole intake with the original one, with the local one. Then yeah, put this thing. Hopefully it runs perfectly now. So shake you? Yeah? Half your petrol? Ambulang more. Ambulang. So yeah, new old some, but new in this one does being new engine, clutch plate. We need to clean that, or we use the old one. It still looks to be full. Import intake, dusting. What else? Yeah, gearbox, engine, making, and then we run it with drive it. Guys, there's life now on that Polo. Yeah, hi everyone. So this is the complete product. It's even washed. It's not bad looking at all. This is the side. Let's go to the other side. Then I think I have to look for this thing. I put it somewhere. It was there. And then yeah. So the battery is dead. Need to fit a new battery. And then take it for a spin. Yeah, but it's cleaned up. You know, you don't clean up a car unless if it's in a moving condition. Yeah, so last time I checked there was a problem with the store. We'll see in the future. Then this is the interior, the cleaned one. It's looking like this. The handbrake thingy. Chapterina. Hi, fresh. Ancon. Very nice. Yeah. So we're gonna start it now. They are fitting the battery. Okay, it's in. So I guess I'm good to go. Yeah. There's light, there's power. My first start today. My first start. Nope. Quiet. It's running nice. We have 0 kilometers on the thingy, on the gauge. So I need to stop by the fuel station, fuel. Yeah, but okay, and then there's a oil. I think they said mechanic said we need a switch because this one was broken, so yeah, I'll buy the switch and then it should be off. Okay, it's not performing. I think we have a coil pack issue. It's checking. Oh, it's maybe it's petrol. Okay, let me try to push it slow. Let me pour gas and then we'll take it from there. We'll just pour maybe 200 rands or 150 and see how it moves. So we're back again. Just poured petrol, 200 rands. So the oil switch light is gonna come back, and also the headlight thingy, and then the rest I don't know. But now it seems to be having a clean car. I think now it's gonna stop the jacking. I think it was petrol because when I got here it was now thingy. Yeah, this is how a Polo should drive. I'll go buy the switch and then we'll put it on. But besides that, it feels like a Polo. Wow, smooth, very smooth, very smooth. Oh, actually, this is now actually a bargain now that I come to think about it. It's so comfortable, man. You can also make a mistake. I'll fix it for you. I need to get this thingy, the switch, otherwise it's irritating. So yeah, the Polo is done, and then I was analyzing the damage down here, and then I don't think it's go bad with the forklift. But yeah, otherwise see you on the next video. I'll just give you a snippet of the next video. There's a car we bought. There's no engine yeah, whatsoever, but yeah, here's the Polo, and good night from the Polo. And then here's the new car from GoBit. In the next video, shop.